Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to convert a given character or string from uppercase to lowercase in C programming. First of all, what is uppercase character? Any character written in capital letter is known as uppercase character in C programming. For example, capital A, capital B. Then what is uppercase string? If each and every character of a string is written in capital letter, then that string can be called an uppercase string. For example, hello. Then lowercase character. Any character written in small letters is known as lowercase character. For example, small a, small b, then lowercase string. If each and every character of a string is written in small letters, then that string can be called as a lowercase string. For example, hello. Then uppercase to lowercase conversion formula. The formula to convert uppercase character to lowercase character is lower char is equal to upper char plus 32. Because the ASCII value of capital A to Z are 65 to 90 and small a to Z are 97 to 122. That is, the ASCII value of A, capital A is 65, whereas the ASCII value of small a is 97, and then the difference between ASCII value of capital A and ASCII value of small a is 32. The difference is in that the ASCII value of lowercase a is 32 greater than the ASCII value of uppercase a. So to convert from uppercase character to lowercase, we have added 32 to the upper char variable which holds uppercase character. Now let's see a program to convert uppercase character to a lowercase character in C programming. First of all, inside the main function, declare two variables of character type. First variable is upper and the second variable is lower. And then declare one variable of integer type. ASCII is a variable of integer type. Then after that, with the help of printf function, display the message enter an uppercase character. Then after that, with the help of scanf function, input the value of upper. Then assign the value of uppercase character to a variable ASCII. Then apply the formula to convert from uppercase to a lowercase. Formula is lower is equal to ASCII plus 32. Result is assigned to a variable lower. Then with the help of printf function, display the character in lowercase. Now run this code. After the execution of this code, first of all, enter any character in uppercase, a capital letter, that is A, and then press the enter key. If user input A as a uppercase character input, then A gets initialized to a upper variable, and then ASCII is equal to upper. That means the ASCII value of A is 65. Gets initialized to an ASCII variable, and after that the statement lower is equal to ASCII plus 32. That means ASCII plus 32. 65 plus 32, that is 97. Value 97 is assigned to a variable lower as a character. Then after that we have used the %C format specifier that print the character whose ASCII value is 97, that is small a. This is a code to convert uppercase character to a lowercase character. Now let's convert the string from uppercase to lowercase. To convert an uppercase to a lowercase string, first of all you have to ask the user to enter the string in uppercase to convert it into a lowercase. To change an uppercase string into a lowercase string, just add 32 to each and every character of a given string. Let's see the code. First of all, declare two strings, char upper 50 is the size, lower 50 is the size, then after that declare one variable which is of integer type and assign value 0 to it. Then with the help of printf function display the message enter string in uppercase. Then with the help of gets function input string in uppercase. Then after that apply a while loop while upper of I not equal to null. If this condition is evaluated to be true, then lower of I is equal to upper of I plus 32. Then increase the value of I by 1. When this condition is evaluated to be false, then control transfer to the out of loop, and with the help of printf function display the string in lowercase. Now run this code. Now after the execution of this code, first of all enter string in uppercase. And then the output is string in lowercase. With gets function, enter string in uppercase. Then while loop is to be executed. Upper of I is not equal to null. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then lower of I is equal to upper of I plus 32. Then after processing, string in lowercase is to be printed onto the screen.